So pretty exciting. Pretty excited to bring this car back on the road after 10 years. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I apologize for not filming much. I'm just trying to get this job done. Guys, what do you guys think? Just start up and drive? No, just kidding. Bad idea. Look, yeah.
A few moments later.
And the buzzer is on. That's pretty awesome. Wow. Oh, you see, yeah, it's a little leaky a little bit. Let's see. Oh no. So we didn't have enough juice, so pulled this battery out. And we're gonna go get a Ford battery. No, I don't see the glow plug. Give it a minute. Open these injectors. Let's see. Alright, stop! They're spraying. On. I got nothing. I got power here and power there. Yeah, so this thing, the relay is not doing its job. So the good. There's power coming to the relay.
You got power, yeah.
But it's not coming out. So it's not. It should give out the power to all the glow plugs, but it's not doing it. So in this case, we can jump all the glow plugs and give them power directly from the jumper wire. This connector, we're gonna put power to all the 5 pins. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try it. Whoa! Alright, stop, hold on. Whoa, that was not. That was my wrench actually. It flew off. All right, hold on. Go ahead. Let it run. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah, I see that thing.
Look at the tires.
Which one?
The tires are there.
Yeah. No, they're not going anywhere. They're good. Crazy, sitting for 10 years and started like nothing. It's amazing. Now check this out. This engine has like probably 300,000 miles. Amazing. My car has like a lot more blow by.